Hey everyone, welcome to My Paradise Planner Travel. Today we are going to be unboxing a lot of tape here. Wow. And it's not like regular tape either. It's like this weird industrial tape. I don't know if you can see it, but it's virtually like cardboard tape. Pretty crazy. It is called Here and Beyond. Travel trends. For families, the perfect time to go is once school is back in session or right before it gets out for the summer. Travel over a long weekend. President's Day weekend, Martin Luther King Day, Labor Day, Memorial Day. There are blackouts for certain hotels. Contact your travel agent for more. New resorts. What is on? So I'm sure you're like, okay, you're a travel agent, so what is it that you're just like, oh, what resort? You know, you probably see me post a lot of Ixcoret, and you probably see me post a lot of Unico. Unico is it's the resort for what our generation is right now, or where our generation is right now. I know that doesn't make a lot of sense, but once you go, you're like, all right, I get it. Everything from the music, to the tech friendliness, to the eco part of it, to the meals, all of that is just where I feel like the trends or where everybody's kind of moving towards. Unico's already got that. Ixcoret is fantastic because that is the future of hotels. When you go to a resort in 10 years, one of the newer resorts that's going to open up, you're going to notice that there are going to be a lot more things that you can do on property, and the property itself is going to just blend seamlessly into its environment, whether that's in a mountain or by a volcano or by the beach. It's just going to be, and if you contact me for more information, I'll show you exactly what I'm talking about. And then you're like, oh, I get it. Everybody's got a city, right? You can go downtown in your city and get a hotel. All the hotels are pretty much standard same. There are some places and some things that you can't do in all standard same hotels, and that's where the trends are going. So, and I use beach. We do a lot of beach stuff, but it could be anything. You've got the Aurora Borealis and the ice castles. So there's all kinds of different things. Antarctica has actual tours that you can go. I think there's a North Pole tour. So there's a bunch of stuff. Anyway. For families, I would say Nickelodeon Riviera Maya is coming. Yeah. Nickelodeon Resorts actually has a property that is already in the Dominican Republic. They will now be opening one in Riviera Maya, which is incredible because it is an opportunity for that resort to really take advantage of the space that they will have. That's coming to the Riviera Maya, and that is coming spring, summer of wham! This year. What? Contact me to book. That is something, folks, message me. That's something you're gonna want. You're gonna want. Chicago. The Bears. Locally, it's Chicago. So if you follow me and you see any of the flights that I post, a lot of times I do post from Chicago. Chicago's a big destination. If you see national flights of the week and you're going to Chicago, I have a local place for you to eat. Right? Okay. So Sweet Mandy B's, that is cupcakes, vegan vanilla. I'm sure we're gonna get a gluten-free stuff. Nope, maybe not. You gotta contact them. It might not be gluten-free. They're vegan, but not gluten-free. Isn't that funny? Life is just crazy. You can have this, but you can't have that. It's just insane. Anyway, so you got vegan vanilla, decadent chocolate, peanut butter, and cookies, pies, and bars. Ooh, bars. What? Ice sugar cookie is their choice. Seasonally changing flavors. That's cool. Awesome that you go to a mom and pop shop. It's even more awesome that you support them. And to just top everything else off, that mom and pop shop is so in tune with things that they're like, we're gonna offer purple potatoes in the fall, and we're gonna offer, you know, spring greens. I know that's kind of stereotypical, but you get what I'm saying. Anyway, so that's Sweet Mandy Bees, 1208 West Webster Avenue in Chicago. And then of course there is Puerto Vallarta. Contact me. This is on the other coast. What's this? What's this? What was I talking about before? I was saying it before. You want to go to Hotel X, correct? Contact me. We'll work it out. This is where our journey ends, folks. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with friends you'd like to take with you. Email me at robert@myparadiseplanner.com for free travel planning assistance.